Race Blabag, they're open, racing cheeks to cheeks, throws for the lead, but here comes Sky Tripper now for the outside. It's now Sky Tripper, followed by Sweet Julian, running in third, Mama Suna. Then followed by Cheeks to Cheeks, Peter's Denial, moving up now, Lucky Dreamer on the outside is El Shadow. Then followed by Candy Crush. Another straight day trouble, Sky Tripper being joined by Sweet Julian. Sweet Julian takes the lead balang, followed by Sky Tripper. Phalanx back in third, Cheeks to Cheeks. Lucky Dream is down in fourth. Then followed by Mama Sing, 5 lengths away, Peter's Denial, Night Boss, Candy Crush, long way back, El Shadow, and Ariston, who's running in the tail of the field. And towards the last 600, Sweet Julian, Celine Juan by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Sky Tripper, Lucky Dream now for the outside, one about Cheeks to Cheeks, then followed by Mama Sunga. Here comes Candy Crush taking the 6 spot as they turn for home. It is still Sweet Julian hanging on with a line leader. And towards the final turn is still Sweet Julian. Lucky Dream moving up, Sky Tripper. And here comes Candy Crush surely. Now taking the lead over Sweet Julian and winning this race. Third, Mama Soon, Night Boss, Sky Tripper, Lucky Dream.
Numero 4, Candy Crush. Na-game over sila kay Candy Crush. Dahil masisigurdo araw, numero 6, Sweet Julian, Mama Soul. Biglang dumating yung shooting night.